Congrats, Ramin! Please support the album and stream the music. Up next, it was a wild week in so many ways. Here's the Intense 5. Not a lot of happy faces after the police pulled the plug on Lost in Time, and just coincidentally, it was during Popcorn's performance. Hush guys, show was amazing though. The world was shook after hearing about the death of Peter Morgan from the group Morgan Heritage. Please accept our sincere condolences. He was such a sweet soul. Adidas is gonna release a Bob Marley shoe, finally! After 5 long years, guess who got his US work visa back? Dada himself, Sizzla. Finally! And finally holding the spot this week, no one knew who won. It was mass confusion on Monday for local government elections. Congrats to all the councillors though. Continue helping the people. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for more of what's hot in entertainment. Up next, Ice Coolio has lots more to say. We soon forward.